Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a page on Shopify. If you're cleaning up old content, simplifying your navigation, or removing a temporary landing page from a past promotion, this quick process will help you keep your storefront tidy, focused, and up to date for your visitors. Start by opening your browser and heading to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login. Sign in using your email or one of the other available sign-in options. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step so you land in your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, and that your staff permissions allow you to edit pages, since only certain roles can make changes to site content. Once you're in the admin, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store. This is where you manage your storefront's appearance and content, including themes, blog posts, and pages. Under Online Store, select Pages. Here you'll see a list of all the pages on your site, like About, Contact, Policy pages, or any custom pages you've created for campaigns or information. Find the page you'd like to delete and click to open it. Before you remove anything, take a moment to confirm you've selected the right page, especially if you have pages with similar names. If there's content you might reuse later, copy it to a document for safekeeping. You can also preview the page to double-check that this is the one you want gone. Deleting a page is permanent, so a quick review is always worth it. When you're ready, look for the More Actions button on the page screen. Click it, and from the drop-down, choose Delete Page. Shopify will ask you to confirm the action. Click Delete to finalize. That's it. The page is now removed from your store and no longer accessible to visitors. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. Deleting a page removes it from your admin and makes its URL inaccessible. If you linked to this page in your navigation menus, those links may still appear, but they'll lead to a dead page. After deletion, it's a good idea to check your navigation and remove or update any links that pointed to the page you just deleted, so customers don't run into broken links. If the page received traffic from outside sources, such as search engines, ads, or email campaigns, consider setting up a URL redirect to guide visitors to a relevant page and protect your SEO. And if you only wanted to hide the page temporarily, you could make it invisible instead of deleting it. Visibility controls live on the page editor, but deletion is best for content you're sure you no longer need. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, give it a like so more Shopify store owners can find it. If you have any questions or want help deciding whether to delete or hide a page, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. For more simple, step-by-step Shopify tutorials, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and happy selling.